career as an origami artist? Is that even possible? Well, yes it is. And this video will clear all your doubts on it. But before getting into the career aspect of it, let's learn what an origami is. Origami is the art of paper folding, which is often associated with Japanese culture. The goal is to transform a flat square sheet of paper into a finished sculpture through folding and sculpting techniques. As we look towards the artists who are pioneering the art today, a constant thread is that many have backgrounds in mathematics and science. Paper-cut artworks are individually sketched and hard-carved using a special paper-cut knife on a single sheet of paper. The precision required is pretty immense, considering one slip of the hand could ruin the entire creation and make you start over. Ahmedabad-based Parth Kothikar is well versed in this method and his creations are beautiful and delicate. While she isn't working towards a PhD in electronics engineering, Archana Kumar spends her time quilling. In fact, she goes beyond the paper rolls and gets innovative with her approach. Her geometric works are as eye-catching as the rest of her designs. Known popularly as Steel Cup, Archana turned to quilling as a respite from stressful university work. From her work so far, Lucknow and her Tribe series have to be our favorite. From small paper-folded peacocks to 4 feet tall fire-breathing dragons, Himanshu's work and scale know no bounds. He even got a spot in the Limca Book of Records for a 105 feet long and 30 feet tall dragon paper sculpture that had to be folded in an aeroplane hangar. Origami is used in the manufacturing of miniature models of bridges and stadiums. Paper folding techniques are used to embody the cell membrane and protein and are used in modeling DNA samples.
Origami techniques were used in the pipes of the Japanese high-speed trains. In pipe supports were used to absorb the excess pressure, thus reducing the risk of accidents. Some teachers currently use origami as an educational tool that helps in clarifying geometry, explaining fractions, and solving problems. There are plans to launch an aircraft made using origami techniques into space. Tests have already been implemented in 2008, but it has not been launched yet.
Now a pretty basic question that would trigger in your mind would be, how to get started with it? Take some art classes in which you create art, drawing, sculpture or other forms of art. Learn some sort of digital art involving 3D modeling, rendering, digital fabrication. Taking the relevant advanced mathematics classes will help you design complex and sophisticated origami. Classes in geometry, algebra, trigonometry, and linear algebra are highly recommended. The obvious question here is, what college offers a major in origami? And the answer is, none of them do. So you're going to have to do major in something else that's relevant and fit origami into a more conventional major. Get enrolled in schools that will give you a well-rounded artistic and design education, and there will be ample opportunities to fit origami into the work you are doing there. On the more technical side of things, the field of mechanical engineering also has many opportunities for folding. Mechanical engineering is all about tangible physical structures, things that move, and fabrication techniques, all of which couple well to origami. In architecture too, we find applications of origami. Getting even more technical, the field of computer science has many connections to origami, including a subfield, computational geometry, that has great overlap. Mathematics not only takes in the computational aspects of origami, it describes many other properties of origami as well. Mathematics is the study of patterns and relationships, and origami is all about patterns and relationships. So this was all about making origami as your career option. To know more about such mind-boggling and out-of-the-box career options, stay tuned to the channel and don't forget to like and share this video.